Welcome to this tutorial on how to enable private mode on LinkedIn. In today's digital age, maintaining privacy while networking is crucial. LinkedIn offers a feature that allows you to browse profiles anonymously, which can be particularly useful when you're researching or job hunting without wanting to reveal your identity. Let's dive into the simple steps to activate this feature. First, open the LinkedIn app on your device. Once you're logged in, locate the Me icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to access your profile settings. From there, navigate to Settings and Privacy. This section is where you control various aspects of your LinkedIn experience, including how visible you are to others. Next, select Visibility from the options provided. This is where you manage how others see your profile and your activity on the platform. Within the Visibility section, click on Profile Viewing Options. Here, you'll find the settings that determine how your profile appears to others when you view their profiles. Now, it's time to choose your preferred level of anonymity. You have three options: public, semi-private, and private. For complete anonymity, select Private Mode. When you're in private mode, you'll appear as an anonymous LinkedIn member in the Who's Viewed Your Profile section of the profiles you visit. This means that the person whose profile you're viewing won't be able to see your name or any other identifying information about you. Enabling private mode on LinkedIn is a straightforward process that gives you more control over your online presence. It's especially useful if you're conducting market research, looking for job opportunities without alerting your current employer, or simply prefer to keep your browsing private. By following these steps, you can ensure that your LinkedIn activity remains discreet and professional. Thanks for watching, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful in enhancing your LinkedIn experience.